Guys, honestly, look at that. But that's blending, y'all. Like, this is scalp. This looks like my hair. It's half my hair, but it's not all my hair. And we're looking like my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. So today in this video, I'm showing you guys a wig sent over by HerGivenHair. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. So I'm going to show you this new upgraded all-in-one half wig, but we have a lace part in here, y'all. So I'm going to show you how to blend this in with your hair and to get this natural effect. And guess what? I'm going to show you without leave out, because I don't have any leave out. Or you can also wear the wig like this with leave out. And does it look different? It looks the same. But guess what? We have a little bit of leave out right here with the wig. Leave out hair. Okay? So I'm going to show you both versions. Stay tuned to see how I got this style together. Give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump in. So HerGivenHair never disappoints with the packaging. This is what the wig is going to look like. You get that lace in the front and these combs on the side. This is an all-in-one half wig, so you do get that adjustable drawstring in there, so you can wear it as a half wig or you can wear it as a ponytail. You're not going to get any lace on the side. So initially, this is what the wig is looking like out the pack. I do have the coily style, but I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and condition this wig because I want those curls to really pop. So I'm just putting a shower cap over my mannequin head because, like I stated, I did shampoo and condition this hair off camera, but I do have a video coming up to show you exactly how I did it. I'm gonna go ahead and also set this wig. So I'm gonna start off using a little bit of serum. I'm just using this for oil purposes, just to add some sheen and moisture to the hair. And I'm gonna go in and detangle the wig using my unbrush. I really do like this brush for detangling purposes. Then I'm gonna follow it with a brush like this. This is like a Denon brush, and I like it because it really does make the curls pop. So today I'm using the Isha Daily Setting Mousse. I've been using this on pretty much all my curly wigs lately, and I like the way it sets my curly human hair wigs. So this other part is pretty much optional. You can stop here and just set the wig using your brush. But in my previous video like this, I did do both styles of setting it with chunky twist and using my brush, and I like the way this turned out. So today I'm going to go in with a few chunky twists, and I'm going to add that all throughout the wig and just set it. So I added about 12 twists all throughout the wig, as you see here. I'm not sure exactly how many, I didn't really count it. But then I let this wig set overnight using my wig hanger, and this is what it was looking like the day after. So now I'm going to go ahead and take out these twists. You want to go in again with an oil base like a serum or something, because you don't want this wig to be too frizzy when you take it out, and I still want these curls to be nice and defined. So be careful when you're taking out the twist, and this is what I did to take it out and set it, and this is the final result after I took out all the twists. Then I just went ahead and cut that lace off camera. Alright guys, so I already set this wig and I'm really excited about it because it came out so pretty. It already looks so natural. I filmed how I shampooed and I conditioned it and I set it. I think I did a short, so check it out right here if I posted it, or it will be posted soon. But this is what it's looking like. So you can either just kind of use your brush to comb it out, but I did do some fat twists on this and then I loosened it out, so it's looking like this. So this is what my hair is looking like set. I had my hair set like this for a while now, so it's looking a little rough, but this goes to show you how easy this is going to be and how you don't have to put too much thought into this. Alright, so I already showed you guys what the cap is looking like on this. This has 2 inches of lace going down and 1 inch. It's mainly just for the parting space of this wig, just to make this look a little bit more realistic. You're going to get your drawstring in the back. So recently I did review the half wig version of this from HerGivenHair. That video is right here if you just want to see the full half wig version. But I like the fact that this one has a little part now, because now it's like we get the half wig, but we get a little part, so it looks a little bit more realistic and natural to blend with your hair. So I do suggest going in and kind of styling your hair where you do have at least a little part to blend it. And let me show y'all. Let me just stop rambling. So I'm going to put the wig on. I'm going to show you both versions. I'm going to show you with a little bit of leave out, and I'm going to show you without leave out. This first way is without leave out. Look how that's already fallen into place. Like, I don't have any leave out, guys. None. So I'm going to pull it all the way to the front. And this is the wig just blending with my hair. Y'all see how natural that is looking already? So this is the lace, and this is my hair. Okay, so what I'm going to do to blend that just a little bit more, because you're seeing that line right there, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer to blend it. And look at that, guys. Look how that just blended in like that. That was so easy. And it's already looking like my hair. Like, this is so pretty. This is so nice. And I have no leave out. None whatsoever. And this just looks like I just shampooed my hair, and this just looks like a wash and go hairstyle. Isn't that cute? So I do like to add a little bit of sheen on these kinky coily human hair wigs. This is just a little bit of spray on glosser from Proclaim. It just kind of helps brighten up the hair a little bit and make it look more like, I guess you can say, healthier. Look at that, y'all. Just like that. So I'm gonna take the twist out and show y'all what that's looking like, and that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up. Let's jump into with leave out. So the next part, I'm going to go ahead and take out these twists. I put my hair like this because I wear wigs all the time, and I normally wear them straight back, but I did this part like this because I wanted to have some leave out for this wig. So this is why I set it like this. This is just a twist going across, and I'm taking it out with a little bit of curl defining oil. Use some serum or just use some kind of oil to take it out. I'm like gently separating it because I don't want it to be too frizzy. All right, and that's this side. I did wash this lace a little bit because I didn't want it to look too cakey and built up. So since we're starting again, let's start again and put this on. This looks so good. This is just the sheen I'm spraying on here. And this is with leave out. I mean, without the leave out, it looked the same. It really did. Y'all tell me what y'all think. So this is the wig. This is my hair. This is the wig. So let's just blend this down a little bit more. You don't even need to add spray adhesive to this, nothing. If you want, you can add a little bit of adhesive just to kind of melt it in a little bit more, but I don't even think that's necessary. So I'm just gonna add the concealer. See, as long as the lace is blended with your hair, it's lined up, we look good. We look natural. This is my hair that's all crooked. Look at that, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Guys, honestly, look at that. I think once you just match that lace to your part, it's a no-brainer. It's a winner. Like, I just used a little bit of concealer to match the color some, so it does, you don't see like a line of demarcation. But that's blending, y'all. Like, this is scalp. This looks like my hair. It's half my hair, but it's not all my hair. And we're looking like my hair. So just fluff out the wig and play with it. This looks so natural and realistic. This looks like my hair. This is so pretty. So this is with the leave out. This is my leave out right here. It looks the same to me. I mean, you can get away with both leave out and no leave out. Honestly, you really can. As long as you have a slight part to match the part to the lace, you can get away with both ways. That's just my opinion. And if you don't want to wear your hair out, you don't have to, because you have lace. You have a lace, a little bit of lace. So that little lace, it does go a long way. But look how realistic this wig looks. It is so cute. Just fluffing it up some. The more fluff, the more natural it looks. So play with it, y'all. Just play with the wig. Play with it. It's your wig. Also, guys, I want to show you one more thing. In my last video, I showed you guys for, like, as far as thinning edges, these hair building fibers to spray on in the front here. Okay, if you have the thinning edges, just fill it in. So I showed you guys that, but I also found a pen, this Fill Me In pen. So you can fill it in like this too, okay? So y'all, don't worry. We can wear the wig with the hair out, and if you have a little bit of thinning, we can fill in those edges just a little bit. Like I mentioned before, I did review the 3-in-1 half wig, the full half wig without the lace part, and I showed you guys some style options in that video. So check that video out right here if you're looking to see how to style these wigs, because I give you all the options on this channel. Very minimal effort. All I really did was set this wig. You can shampoo, you can condition this hair, you can keep it going. You know, this wig is going to hold up for a while. The quality of this hair is amazing. HerGivenHair never really disappoints, and I love the fact that they're giving us half wig options, guys, because it's a more affordable option compared to the full lace wigs. So we know HerGivenHair. We know this is quality. We know we're gonna hold up. We know we're gonna look like we grew this hair up. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. I think she's a winner. I'll leave all the information down in my description box. for purchase links. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.